What a time to be alive, where everything that's happened over the last 3 months has shocked us to our very core. As if you didn't think things could get even more weird, a new rumor is going around that celebrities are being paid to say they've tested positive for coronavirus. Hey you guys, it's Sizzle Morad here with Clever News, bringing you all the latest entertainment news updates from my Clever home studio as we continue to practice social distancing. And apparently some celebrities are putting a dangerous twist on how they're choosing to raise awareness about the virus. They say that no press is bad press, but what if some press is so incredibly toxic and fabricated that we're just forced to believe lies about celebrities who claim they've tested positive for Covid-19? Desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess. But according to Idris Elba, who has previously stated that he and his wife Sabrina have both tested positive, this conspiracy theory is completely ridiculous and counterproductive. During a recent Instagram live session, he pushed back against the theory that some celebrities were being paid to report that they had contracted the virus. The Shade Room posted his live session to their Instagram page, where he talks about the debate on whether the rich or poor get a test kit for coronavirus that is currently in high demand. He said, quote, "It shouldn't be about whether rich or poor gets it. I think the negativity around test shaming is counterproductive. It's like, I got a test, but I also got COVID. Does that make me preferential? I don't understand that." He added that the rumor that celebs are being paid to say they have the virus is absolutely disgraceful and that it's creating more harm than anything.
And also like this idea that someone like myself is going to be paid to say I've got coronavirus, that's like absolute bullshit, such stupidness. And people want to spread that as if it's like news. That's stupid. It's the quickest way to get people sick.
And honestly, if you really think about it, what good do people think will come out of saying you've contracted the disease? Because I do my best to steer clear from that person for like as long as possible, even when it's all over. But I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this rumor. Have you heard it going around? And do you think celebrities would go that far making up a false claim, especially one that's as serious as something that could be life-threatening? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. But as far as Idris is concerned, he doesn't have time for the negativity. He added, "There's no benefit to me and Sabrina sitting here saying we've got it or we ain't got it. I don't even understand the logic of that." He also urged his fans to believe that this is real and that the proper precautions should absolutely be taken seriously, saying, "I'm just a human being and I just happen to be in the public eye. So I want people to understand that this is very real. I don't feel like I'm privileged because I got a test because I actually contracted it." Along with many other celebrities, including Andy Cohen, The Bachelor's Colton Underwood, Tom Hanks and his wife Rita Wilson, Idris took to Twitter to reveal that he had also been tested positive for the virus after finding out that someone he had been in contact with also tested positive. He wrote on March 16th, quote, "This morning I tested positive for COVID-19. I feel okay, I have no symptoms so far, but have been isolated since I found out about my possible exposure to the virus. Stay home people and be pragmatic. I will keep you updated on how I'm doing, no panic." Since then, Idris, along with Tom and Rita, have been keeping fans updated on their health status and progress. Tom even managed to put his comical touch on his most recent update saying, "Hey folks, good news. 1 week after testing positive in self-isolation, the symptoms are much the same. No fever, but the blahs. Folding the laundry and doing the dishes leads to a nap on the couch. Bad news, my wife Rita Wilson has won 6 straight hands of gin rummy and leads by 201 points. Okay guys, so right here, right now, let's vow to put a stop to the rumor that celebrities are using coronavirus for clout. We've got a lot bigger things to focus our efforts on, so let's all move past the rumors and focus on ways we could help contain the outbreak and give back to those in need." But right now, you guys, I want to hear from you. Had you heard this rumor at all? And also, what are your thoughts on everything we discussed here today? Get the conversation started right here in the comment section below. And while you're down there leaving comments, be sure to click right over here for another clever video.